This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Terri Haynie, Realtor, SRES, ABR, SRES. Freshly painted 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home that has been lovingly cared for. New roof, siding, soffit, and gutters. HVAC was replaced in 2019, roof in 2017. Completely remodeled kitchen that features granite, custom glass backsplash, new flooring and cabinets. Fireplace and family room was completely redone from top to bottom and custom wains coating in family room. Very nice fenced backyard. Soccer field and playground is a short distance away. Seller desires a quick closing and rent back to June 22, 2022. For more information, review the details below.